Welcome to 128 Inway Drive. This cool 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a nice backyard, powered workshop, an office, as well as dog kennel in the backyard. It's located in the Green Springs neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77 and I-20. Dining and shopping at Sandhills, as well as Candlewood Road, and Richland schools. So we're out in front. You can see there is a very nice sized driveway out in the front of the home. No garage, but plenty of space for parking in the huge driveway outside. Nicely landscaped yard as well, front and back, at least at the time of the video. You can see some fencing to the backyard there, but we'll go ahead and take a look inside first. It's a nice architectural style on the home. You have this sort of bricked in entry area off of the front door, so sort of an outdoor seating area that you can set up if you like, but at very least it is covered as you enter. And then you have your double front door entry here. So we'll take a look inside. We'll go through the door on the right. We have some hardwood flooring as we enter. I believe it's a laminate product, but does look pretty much like real wood. We enter into the living and dining room in the home. You have vaulted ceilings here, some exposed beams, wood paneling on the walls. There's a ceiling fan and a brick fireplace at the back of the room. I believe that is propane gas based on the tanks outside that are hooked up. And then you can see open to the dining room here as well. And that has sort of a bay window going out, looking out towards the backyard and the deck, which we'll take a look at now. So right out back we have a wood deck off the back of the home. You step down a couple of steps to get to it. Some mature landscaping back here as well. You sort of have some larger shrubs that sort of provide a privacy hedge against the right and left side of the property. In addition to the deck, you also do have yard space as well. Going around here, there's a huge workshop. Also doubles as a garage in the back, detached. We'll take a look at that just a sec, but we'll go around this side just so you can see the rest of the yard. You can see the fencing coming from the front there. And then you also do have the nice large dog kennel fencing here with concrete down below it. And then you can see access to the workshop space via the overhead garage door. Nice palm tree here, or excuse me, palmetto tree in the backyard as well. And then you can actually go inside through the side door here as well. And there's the overhead bay door. So you have large ceiling height, tons of built-in shelving. There's a workbench here as well. And the same thing as far as storage on this end. And there also is an office attached as well. You have a ceiling fan in here and a window looking out to the other side. And again, this is all powered. You have plenty of electric outlets in there, as well as already wired lighting. So back inside, you can sort of see the back of the house as we go back in. Now we'll go down the hall and take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms as soon as we haven't viewed the kitchen yet, so we'll go that way. And there's also some additional living space. So you have laminate hardwood flooring in here for sure. It's a slightly different product than what's in there, but matches pretty good. Nice sized kitchen. Has updated granite countertops. You have a black electric stove and dishwasher, and a stainless steel refrigerator. Ceiling fan in here as well as wood cabinets and some of what looks like more original paneling. And then you have another den or living area off of the kitchen. You step down into it. You have ceramic tile in here, a ceiling fan. Looks like there's another mini split system AC for this room exclusively. hooked up also. And then along the back wall, you have some storage here. It's built-in shelving. You have your washer and dryer connections in the laundry room, also some shelving in there, and then a bit more in this small utility space that has the water heater. And the tile flooring does continue into there, which is great for the washer and dryer and water heater, and then access to the driveway and the fencing off the side of the house on the left. So now we'll take a look at the bedrooms. There are 3 of those, 2 full baths. So you go right off the living room. There's a linen closet on your way. You have a full bathroom here, ceramic tile flooring, granite countertops in there as well, and then a shower and tub. Attic pull down here in the hallway. Master bedroom is here on the left side of the hall. See a nice sized room. Also has a ceiling fan. I believe there's a ceiling fan in all 3 rooms. You have 2 closets in the master. You can see them side by side here. They don't connect in the middle, so that's the size of it that you see, and this one is identical. And a nice arch opening going into the bathroom area. You have a single vanity with the updated granite countertops open to the rest of the room through that archway, and then the commode and a nicely tiled shower are in a separate room here. You can see the nice, sort of looks more like a vinyl tile, a luxury vinyl tile, and some nice tile on the floor there also. And then you have 2 additional bedrooms off the hall. Here is one of 2 there. This one faces the front of the house, as does the master, I believe. Or the master may face the front and the side. See the closet there. You do have lighting in the closets as well, which is nice. A coat closet down at the end of the hall here, between these 2 bedrooms. And last but not least, here's the 3rd of those bedrooms. This one sort of looks out to the, sort of out towards the garage, or where the entry, the driveway, or where the entry to the home is. You can see the closet there, roughly the same size as the one in the 2nd bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 128 Inway Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.